yan. Worst part, hindi nakaklik yung record button. Meron pong nangyari yan. 30 minutes. Pagkatigil, akala ko naka-record. Tita, ready? Yin ang sharing to. Kailangan ma-equip kayo. Tama? Yes. Jeda, paano ka lumusong? Ma'am Jeda, kaliwaan. Kalaban mo, nagbibenta. Paano? Tama po ba? Alam niyo po, ang lupit ng grupo ko kasi dito ko po natutunan sa grupo ko. Palakpakan natin yung team. Isa po sa tinuro, sorry po, I love quoting the Bible because the Bible is rich with everything. You know, si Solomon, very rich with wisdom. You know, as a leader, if you don't know already what to do, shut your mouth and pray. Yes. Kasi you cannot do it alone.
Yes, Pastor.
Kung ang kumpanya nga po nagsasabi ng spiritual value, ikaw lang spirituality. Sorry po, you pray. Ba't ang hirap? I'm telling you po, wala po tayong problema sa nagbebenta online. Problema na po ni Riway. Ang kailangan po natin gawin ay magtrabaho ng tama. Online, there are people selling at 8K. Then, there are people who wanted to try the product at 25,600. Tama? Try. Hello? Sabi ko po sa inyo, hinihimatay ako pag may tumutunog eh. There is 166,000. Okay. If there's one thing I understand with Riway is that 7 years ago, even our team, even I, was able to experience this thing. Lahat naman po may competition. Alam niyo po, hindi ako nagagalit sa onliners. Nakita niyo po ako ng bash? Nakita niyo po ako ng bash? Ang profile ko po naka-public. I never bash people who are online sellers. I pray for them. Because why? Because the people who are selling online, tamad pong magturo ang upline. Correct. Kagkaalit ako dun sa upline. Kasi po bakit nagbibenta ng 8K? Kolorum. And then we opened the Blue Book. Ito po sa inyo, marami sa inyo nagpo-close ng sale, hindi binubuksan yung Blue Book. Alam niyo po, Blue Book is so powerful. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I was able to close sets few weeks ago. Shopee. I have the Blue Book. Why? Whenever I talk to somebody, tita, alam niyo po kung dati takot ako magbukas ng Facebook, takot ako na yung guest ko nag-open ng Facebook na, tita, open the Facebook, type Portier. Open Shopee, type Portier. Tama po? Open Lazada, type Portier. Amazon, type Portier. Tita, magkano Portier? Ma'am Gida, eat 5. Meet up daw po. Meet up. Tita, may tanong ako, sabi ko. Tita, may papabasa ako sa'yo. So I opened the Blue Book, the rules and regulations. And there, is it there? There is no authorized person who can sell Portier. Only the distributors. Ito pa po. To ensure that the product is 100% authentic and good for you, it must be from the office. Sabi pa sa akin, Jeda, price lang, ikaw nga, ini-scam mo ako, 166 muna lang dito, oh. 135,000. 20 bottles. Sabi po sa akin, ang sakit. Ang sakit po, masakit po. Masakit. Kala niyo, hindi kayo natatamaan. Ako, tamang-tama ako, Pegasus eh. So sabi, gano'n, tita, pakicheck po maigi. If something happens to you when you take it, Riway bucks you up. But if you buy there, at 8,000, you have no one to back you up. Are you getting the point?
Yes.
At eto pa po, mura sila. But one thing they steal from you is number one, your identity. And what is that? Your account. Ayan, listen carefully sa mga bago. When you buy a set of Portier, you signed up not an order form, you signed a distributor application form. Meaning, Riway knows 110% the product works. And explain ko ni Ms. Bernadette kanina, it's only one product. And there is no company in the world who can offer one product for the past 16 years. Wala po. Ultimo po si Diwata na dagdagan. Yung ganisa. Tama po? Ibig sabihin, hindi na kaya mag-compete sa isa, pero si Riwi dinidevelop. Bakit? Tayo po ay research and development company. We are not only a network marketing company. The bulk of what we pay goes to research so that whatever you will take, Riwi ensure it works. Ito pa po, sabi din po niya kanina, there's no other product that encompass other product. Bakit? Iniisip mo pa lang ang nag-iisang product na ultimate Rolls-Royce. Pag sabi ng Rolls-Royce, pinakamahal. Ano yung Rolls-Royce? Alam ko lang BTEC Lenta. Ang Rolls-Royce po, makina po yan, makina ng aeroplano. Pag sinabi po ni Riwi, we are the Rolls-Royce of all supplement, kahit po yung sana walang sinabi. Oh! Sorry po, Pasek Tabi, na totoo po. Bakit? Ang mayayaman ang sekreto. Stem cell. Yes. Ang ino-offer yung kaibigan na nag-invite sa'yo, Mars, ito na yung pinaka-extreme. So that time, when I present this, if you don't have an account, lugi ka. Ito po, bakit? Pumunta po ako ng Thailand. Namit ko po si Chai Chai. Si Chai Chai po, anak po siya ni Tita Menchi Nisa. Tita Menchi has actually a limited time to live because she suffered from stage 4 cancer. So, ibig sabihin pag limited months to live. After taking 4th year, her life was extended to almost 7 years. So, Tita Menchi passed away. Ito po, makinig kayo maigi sa mga online buyers. Yung account po ni Tita Menchi, in 1 year time, naipasa na po kay Chai Chai. Dasal. Ito pa po malupit. Palagpakan natin. After it was passed on, the account was passed on, Riwi is there to support Chai Chai towards his growth in learning the business in Riwi. 6 OPPs tutulungan si Chai Chai. Palagpakan natin. So, ibig sabihin po, hindi lang pala product ang nakuha ko. Meron pala akong negosyo na pwede kong ipasa sa mga anak ko. Mabigat pa po kay insurance. Kasi si insurance limited lang eh. Palakpakan po natin. Sorry po sa mga insurance. Hindi po ako against sa inyo. Pero si Riwi, trabahuhin mo kung ano kinikita ng account mo mapapasa sa anak mo. Kaya po ko masipag. Honestly, you cannot stop me from getting out of my house. Even po nag-breast pump po ako for the sake that I have to work because I have 4 children now. And whatever I earn, kikitain po ng mga anak ko. Pag namatay ako, walang labis, walang kulang. So una, akala natin si 8K or 25 or si 166, akala natin product lang. But Riwi is more than the product. It is more one legacy baby. Kaya, alam niyo po, hindi ko po sigurado buhay ko. Alam niyo naman, pag bumabait ka, malapit ka na kay Lord. Sabi ko, kapag ano muna, saglit lang. Nagigets niyo po, pag bumabait ka eh. Kasi bakit kay Riwi po, mabait ka talaga eh. Bakit po, the more blessing pour, the more you humble. The more blessing pour, the more you serve. Dito po, pag madamot ka, wala kang blessing. Kaya po tingnan ng katabi, mukha po bang blessing yan? Hindi kami nakatakuan, hindi na lang. So, may tanong ako. Pag 8K kinuha mo, wala ka niyan. Ito malupit. Wala ka nito. Wala kang Riwi family. Cross-legs po tayo halos lahat dito. Pero, pag nakasuot tayo ng damit, pamilya tayo, iisa. Isa po bumagsak dito, hatakan pataas. Dito po magkamali ka, okay lang. Itong grupong to, wala pong gagawin kundi magpataas. This is the environment that we have. Outside, you put up a traditional business, somebody will hit you. Then you're done. But in Riwi, nagkaletse-letse ang buhay mo, nagkasira-sira. This environment will nourish you. Will remove that, tatanggalin yung pangit, matitira sa'yo kahit katiting na ganda na lang, pagagandahin ka palalo. Hindi po, ito po. Nobody judge you here. Nobody will judge you. Nobody judge you here? Anong napag-aralan mo? Janitor ka, taga-benta. Ay, grabe po. We have a leader po in Pangasinan who is just a water bottle vendor in the church in Manawa, who is now 2-star. Nobody. Senior ka? Teen ka. Bata ka? Swerte mo. Kaya naman, pinakausap ako sa CR, 19 years old. Oh my gosh! Sana 19 ko pa po nakalala si Riway. Imagine mo, 25 ka, multi-millionaire ka. So team, leaders, ito po malupit. You have a family who will protect you at all costs. Ito po yung nakita ko kay Riway. Dati po, chismosa ako nuknukan eh. Nung pumasok ko kay Riway na black box, nagbago eh. Hindi ka pwedeng pumuna ng pangit. Ang hirap! Kahit pangit yung presentation, grabe na sa presentation mo! Wait, magic lang pakin mo, plakpakin mo! Kahit pagkasabi, business stem cell, sperm cell yung nasabi, ang galing mo, Mars! Kahit po 10 hours yung OPP, ang galing! Palakpakan po natin! Kahit po 2 hours, nakaharap lang po sa slide, magaling pa rin. Why? This is the only environment that we have, that we look at the best that we have.
Yes.
I like that.
Sabi ko, grabe eh. Ang pangit eh, pero hindi eh. Ang galing. Nagets niyo po?
Yes.
Gusto niyo pong tumawa, gusto niyo pong maging masaya, ang kailangan po umpisahan niyo mabalik.
Punta ka pa.
Kasi sa bahay po natin, may makita tayong mali po na. Dito po, mali mo, tara tama natin, sabay-sabay tayo. This is what I love about it. There's no perfect leadership. There's no perfect leader. There's no perfect mother. There's no perfect brother, wife, husband. But one thing is for sure. There is a company, not that so perfect, but is actually adopted you so that the environment can change and become better.
Yes.
Palakpakan namin. So now, Ma'am Jeda, sige na nga. Sino bibili na 8,000 taas ang kamay? Meron mo nagbibenta doon, naka-ready na. Take up sa video.
Sino yung ma?
Sa CR mo, susundan kayo. But I'm telling you, if you do that, you lose a legacy for your family. Because anything that you started that is not right, kaya po pangalan ng company, Rayway, right way, is that you have to start the right way. Okay, Ma'am Jeda, sige tanggalin 8,000. Ma'am, mag-try ako 1 bottle. Tama po. Ma'am Jeda, 1 bottle o 1 diamond? Okay, Ma'am Jeda, malaki na yung presyo, tumataas. Kaya nga hindi ako bumibili dyan sa online. Gusto ko sa online na lang kasi mura, 8K, 160. You know po, ladies and gentlemen, when we started, even 1 capsule, wala po akong pambili. Wala. Alam po ni Teo. Teo, talampakan niyo po si Teo. Hindi na lang po naging matanda dito eh. Si Teo tsaka ako yata sa loob. Meron pa po ba mas tatanda? Si Ate Aubrey. Wala si Ate Aubrey. We are the eldest inside this room. And that time, I don't have any. But you know, when, sabi nga na, if there's a will, yes, there's a will. So that time po pinangutang ko para makabili ng 1 set. So I purchased, that time, it's 125. That was 7 years back. Ayan na naman, Ma'am Jeda, mahal. Hindi po. Gusto niyo po malaman ang totoong presyo ng Portier? 97,100 multiplied by 3. That is the real price of Portier. Diamond account. Times 3. Platinum eh, 3 platinum, di ba? O leaders, baka di nyo ito alam. Platinum, platinum, platinum. So 97.1 times 3, that is the real amount of your account. But the company gives it only at 166. This 166 has a capacity to earn. Ready kayo?
14,000.
Ito po yung pinakamalaking kinita ko kay Ribe. Tama ba?
Wala to.
That 166 is a good business for you to start and has the capacity to make you that big amount of money. Ngayon, Ma'am Jetta, hindi, may negosyo ako, may traditional business. Tingnan natin si Jollibee. Eto po ha, based po ito sa sinabi ng kaibigan ko. Disclaimer, hindi ko i-record. Because she owns Jollibee. Magpalagay natin si Apple D app. Pampanga. Okay? So that time,